हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर अनदर वीडियो। जैसा कि लास्ट टाइम आई टोल्ड यू गाइज, आई गेस मैं लॉट टाइम से मैंने वीडियोस अपडेट नहीं किए हैं, बट एज यू गाइज नो दैट आई हैव टुक अप द चैलेंज कि मैं स्विच करूँगा विद अ 50% हाइक एंड एवरीथिंग। तो ऑन एन अपडेट ऑन दैट आई हैव एक्चुअली सिक्योर्ड जीएस, और आज टेक्निकली जीएस का मेरा पहला दिन भी था। तो जीएस पे होना इन द फार्मा एनर्जी डोमेन, आई थिंक इज द टॉप ऑफ द फूड चेन टाइप ऑफ अ कंपनी. So I'll just show you what are the perks ZS provides for onboarding. क्योंकि मेरा relocation था, I have shifted places, so इसलिए they have also provided me with a 3-star stay. So I'll just show you a complete tour of the video. जैसे कि आप देख रहे हैं, ये हमारे रूम का एंट्रेंस है. This is going to be our washroom, and if you come down here, this is just an office chair. अभी के लिए इसको इग्नोर करो. Then coming here, it's our luxury bed. Then there we have a seat. This is a table. यहाँ पर हमारे पास है wardrobe, एक यहाँ पे study table, प्लस ये इसके ऊपर मैं भी आऊँगा, इसके बारे में बताऊँगा आपको. फिर यहाँ पर आएंगे as we move the curtains. तो यहाँ पे you will having a balcony, and balcony से मंदिर का view है, so it's really nice. All in all, this stays good. 10 on 10 stay. Well done. I didn't expected this much from GS, but yep, it's good. So yes guys, so now coming on the second part. First one was the accommodation. Of course it's good, and I have gotten it for 2 weeks as well. So now coming to the welcome kit, you can say what you will get when you will join GS on the first day of joining. What are all the accessories you are gonna get, what are all the things you are gonna get. I'll just give you a quick tour of that. तो yes, so once you join GS, तो आपको सबसे पहले जो मिलेगा that will be your primary thing, will be your laptop. This is your GS laptop. ये एक ThinkPad का L14 सीरीज़ का लैपटॉप है. I think it's a good one. इसमें I think 32 GB कुछ something का RAM है. Laptop is nice. Then we have this headset which we give with that laptop का package. And after that, this bag is actually a welcome kit जिसके अंदर multiple accessories मिलता है. Let's go buy them one by one. First thing will be your this power bank. I think ये 10,000 mAh का power bank है. So this is the one you are getting. अगर ये I think ये options में रहता है कि sometimes they provide with a speaker, sometimes they provide with a power bank. So मेरे को power bank मिला है. Then we have this सुंदर सा cute looking mouse. उसके बाद वी हैव दिस ZS का पेन. इट्स अ वुडन पेन एक्चुअली. एंड देन ऑल्सो ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव अ ZS की डायरी. यस, एंड अगेन वी हैव दिस बॉटल. बहुत सुंदर सा एक बॉटल है 1/2 लीटर का. एंड ऑल्सो अलॉन्ग विद ऑल ऑफ दिस, बिकॉज आई हैव जॉइंड ऑन एन AC लेवल. Yes, so along with all of this, because I've joined on an AC level, so I have been also provided with the company phone. That will be an iPhone. I think it's a 15 or something like that, and also will be provided with a postpaid SIM along with that iPhone. So I am hoping कि कल तक वो मुझे मिल जाएगा. So these are all the things which you get with when you join CS. So I think it would be really nice. So I think these are really good accessories, and I think ये आपको एक बहुत अच्छा वेलकम फील कराता है when you go to a company. It's just a very sweet gesture from the corporate side of things. बस एक चीज़ मैंने शायद खोल के नहीं दिखाया था, तो अभी आपके साथ मैं भी फर्स्ट टाइम ही खोलने वाला हूँ ये, कि हाउ डू द थिंग्स लुक फ्रॉम द इनसाइड. यप, सो वी हैव दिस सुंदर सा GS का बॉटल. यप, it's a thermos sort of a bottle, जहाँ पे you will जो गर्म को गर्म, ठंडे को ठंडा रखता है. दो sort of a bottle, cute little bottle we have. After that we have this mouse. इसको भी अगर खोलने का ट्राई करेंगे, तो this is your सुंदर सा क्यूटू सा प्यारू सा mouse. I think it's a good one. I think all the companies should involve these sort of things. It's a really nice gesture. Then we have this your diary. If we go by the diary, just a second, I'll just निकाल लेता हूँ मैं. Yeah, this will be your diary. So it's a 2-layer diary, I guess, but it's a Sundar one. So you can take all your notes here, and or you can keep it as a souvenir that you joined GS. Then there is this pen. It's actually made out of wood. The outer shell, it's right, super smooth. Plus it also has a GS branded logo. Now the last but not the least, which we have to unpack, is this power bank. So if I yes, so this is our power bank. इसको अगर हम खोलेंगे एंड विल सी कि इसमें क्या क्या निकलता है. तो yes, really sorry for the camera angles. I'm actually really pretty excited. तो मैं कुछ कैमरा सेटअप नहीं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. I'm just shooting it as if I would do without camera. So yeah, that is the case here. If you open it up, yep, so we have here super nice and decent looking power bank. इसमें से एक stand भी है, so you can, it's a MagSafe. Put करो इसका stand open करो and it acts as a stand as well. It's a really nice gesture. And this is headphone. The other one I told you, they will be also providing me with iPhone as well. And along with that, we are also provided with this super nice ZS ka bag. So see, this is the quality which you wanna be getting. So yep, these were all the things which you get when you join ZS. So guys, that's all for this video. So in this video you see I showed you what are all the goodies, merchandise you will be getting if you join GS. So guys, I think it's a really nice company, and for any more tips on how to crack any interview or anything, I think only thing which worked for me is just brute force. Just go all in and you will be able to crack it. So okay, until next time, tada, bye.